AI can be scary, I think, for a lot of people, for a lot of
Yeah.
businesses. And the team just got behind it and we said, hey, we're going to do this. And so in 12 days, we launched our first tool. It's called EVA, Engine Virtual Agent. And EVA now handles over 30% of all of our cases. And we'll do about 800,000 cases this year, and without any sort of human assistance.
Yeah, so that's real productivity.
We're trying to onboard that many people, and it's remote first, right? So obviously there's onboarding there, but when you have that agent inside of Slack, people can just ask questions. We think about it as context is worth 100 IQ points. We say a lot, and so when someone can just ask the question and get it right there, they don't need to wait on the manager, and maybe the manager is 30, 60, 90 days old too. So it really brings all that context forward and answers questions.